It is, what's the date today?
It is March 1st.
March 1st, 2009 in Charlotte, North Cackalack. It's like being back in Chicago. And it's not supposed to be like this. This is just like being back home in Chicago.
We went to go get hamburgers and we had no idea that it was even snowing.
I know, we looked down and it was like this.
Much like this.
Crazy. Had to dig it out.
Oh my gosh, look at how deep my finger's still going, still going, still going.
You can make an angel in the snow.
Oh, son of a gun. No.
So what's it like being in snow?
I can't remember the last time I was ever anywhere where it was snowing like this.
All right. Welcome to the South.
Wow. It's crazy.
Oh, it's cold out here. Very cold out here. All right, your turn. Get me by the car.
Okay. Okay. Check it, dude. Oh my gosh. And he doesn't have a jacket on because he's tough. Because you don't know where I grew up. You don't remember where I grew up.
Too spoiled. Look how thick that is. It's like giant.
Oh man, we gotta go back inside.
All right.
These flakes are humongous. I don't know if you could tell, but good night.